Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Joseph Babagallo. I am married. I retired 12, 15 years, but I'm still in the family food business and I'm still with a background of engineering. I'm 80 years old and I have a game I'm playing, living to 120, healthy, wealthy, and wise, and going on 25 to 45.
So I'm a registered nurse by trade. I've always looked for other things because in the field of engagement, you get so many people that can't be helped. So, so that's kind of what drew me to this with Joe. Now we came to this course and he was going to audit it because his brain fog was so bad, he couldn't even, he would fall asleep. You know, it was just like this thing that would happen. She says, let me do some balancing on him. She did some balancing on him. He went into the bathroom, and when he came out of the bathroom, he was standing straight up. Like I tell him all the time, you look 10 years younger when you stand straight. It couldn't make him stand up. On the table, off the just like this. First off, I'm doing this because Dr. Garcia, doctor, I'm a nurse. When he talks about the past in the way that he does, he says, we look at what yes, this was this, now we know. He doesn't, in his speaking, make anybody like they're wrong or bad like they did that. It's just he's pushing the conversation forward and adding what shows up on the court, which always does, because everything's always going to evolve. He's new. He's something that the world's been waiting for. Amazing man.
So there's an immensity of studying, of determination, of application, of putting your mind into this, because there's results. And well, I say most people just will float through the results and they'll ignore it. They won't come back. They won't be here. They won't have understood. So understand it. Put the effort in. Understand what's happening. Okay, from a scientific standpoint, even when you don't think so, keep asking the questions, because you will evolve and resolve and heal others as well as yourself. Amen.
So, like you can add anything to that, right?